For decades, companies working in the electrical and communications industries have leaned on Polywater to help them create more reliable systems. As part of system hardening efforts or to protect mission-critical equipment, companies have experienced effective results with sealants from Polywater. For jobs where an easy-to-use, fast-setting, durable seal is needed, Polywater AFT Spray Foam Sealant is a perfect choice. It provides excellent protection from moisture and gases while keeping out other unwelcome intrusions. Polywater AFT is compatible with cable jackets and bonds to a variety of materials in a range of applications. The can and actuator nozzle design ensure a thorough mixture of the two-part sealant during deployment, revealing a consistent purple-colored foam. The flexibility of the nozzle's extension tube makes sealing vertical applications in difficult-to-reach locations more effective. Within 2 minutes, the foam expands and begins its curing process, and completely cures without needing exposure to environmental moisture like a one-part foam sealant. The result is a rigid, semi-permanent seal that is airtight and watertight, able to withstand significant continuous water head pressure. The Polywater AFT Spray Foam Sealant package comes with multiple nozzles, giving workers the ability to seal several job sites with just one can. Support your strategies for resiliency and reliability with sealant solutions from Polywater.